arrive in style with this Dodge 2010 Ram 1500 SLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 3.21 axle ratio, deep water blue pearl, 20-inch x 8 inches aluminum wheels, chrome tubular side steps, Class 4 receiver hitch, 5.7 L V8 Hemi multi-displacement VVT engine included, electronically controlled throttle heavy-duty engine cooling, Bighorn regional package included, luxury group 20-inch x 8 aluminum wheels, Bighorn badge, bright billet grille, dual rear exhaust, fog lamps, full-size restricted use spare tire, halogen quad headlamps, locking lug nuts, overhead console with universal garage door opener, P275/60R20 all-season BSW tires, luxury group included, courtesy lamps and integral